Hello students, in my previous video I taught you to construct the angle of 60 degree, 120 degree and 180 degree using compass. But today I will discuss with you the logic behind how angles are formed using the compass. As I taught you, for constructing any angle, first of all we draw a baseline of the angle. We have drawn a ray and given it a name OA. Okay, now we will take the compass and open it to the radius of our own choice. It can be of any radius. Now we will keep the tip of the compass at point O and draw an arc at O. Now I told you that you have to draw the next arc without disturbing the compass. Now let us take this point, the point of arc which meet the ray OA at P. I have taken it as P. Now I will keep the tip of my compass at point P and draw another arc which intersect the previous arc. Let this be point B, the point where the two arcs intersect. Let it be point B. Now I will join these 2 points, point OB. As you all know that OB is the radius of this semicircle. OP is also the radius, and as we have taken this arc without disturbing the compass, this is equal to the radius of the semicircle. Now I will join these 2 points, point B and point P. I get an equilateral triangle. This is OPB. This is an equilateral triangle, and I know that each angle of an equilateral triangle is of 60 degree. Each angle of an equilateral triangle is of 60 degree. Now if I extend this line segment OB, I got this ray OB. Now this angle BOA is equal to angle of 60 degree. So the first arc on this semicircle, this point B represents the angle of 60 degree. We will take this point as 0 degree and this is the angle of 60 degree. Now again, without disturbing the compass, I have taken another arc which intersects the previous arc. Let it be the point C. This is point C. Now I am joining this point OC and extending it to make again a ray. Now again you all know that OC is the radius of the circle, OB is also the radius, and if I join the point CB, it is also equal to the radius because I have not disturbed my compass and it is of the same length as the radius of the circle. So I get another equilateral triangle. So again this is an angle of 60 degree, angle of an equilateral triangle. So 60 plus 60. This angle COA. So angle COA is the angle of 120 degree. Now again if I take another arc from point C, I got the third point which is point D. Now if I join point OD, I get a straight line. So angle DOA is the angle of 180 degree. So actually what we have done, that we have divided this semicircle into three equal parts. First part, second part and third part. And if I take 1/3 of 180, this is equal to 60 degrees. So each part is of 60 degree. First, this point P represents the angle of 0 degree. Point B, the first arc on this semicircle, it represents the angle of 60 degree. The second arc represents the angle of 120 degree at point C. And the third arc represents the angle of 180 degree. These are the four basic angles: 0 degree, 60 degree, 120 and 180. These are the four basic angles from where we can get another angles like the angle of 90 degree, 45. All the angles can be constructed through these four basic angles. Thank you.